take out those walls and, be more open, communicate positively so that we can create a healthy environment.
Sing, dili kay masulod.
Napili kay Santoles sumoto na open ko suggestion para sa tanan, which is gamit ang mga tulo kasi ang communication, coordination, o collaboration.
Nahitabo ma'am is nag-brainstorming may ideas. So say angay buhaton, so mao to tanan naka-agree nga magkuan og strong na base first before magka-lighter ang weight sa pag-abot sa taas.
We have to consult experts para we can build a strong foundation. Both teams nagpili lang between strongest and tallest, but it's not choosing between the two. It's hitting two goals, not just the tallest but the strongest at the same time. And I think you missed the point. Dapat strongest natin siya.
Sa akong pagpanarbaho, natay daghan kayo na ma-learn and makabuild po tag relationships, maka-encourage ka, o maka-akuan po ta sa atong isig katao, sa atong
wala tay values o wala tay good character is meaningless. So that is why let us become a good person, especially there is at our work, because we are as one as family, di ba po? So mo na siyang pinaka-important, even though pinaka-bright ka sa kalibutan, but kung wala tayo good character, everything is meaningless. So that is why let us become a good person every day.
I hope everybody atong na-learn karon dili ra siya taman dire, dili ra taman sa notebook. Kaya importante is that we apply. Kay if we do our part, o si Ma'am Joyce ang part na itudlo sa tuwa, and then if we don't absorb it, ato na ipalabay, then this will be useless. So importante is that what we learn, we apply, and then dili lang good for 1 week or 2 days or sa ba, no? So we expect na kung sa ato na learn karon, ato na siyang dalon sa to future. Okay? So,